Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Very well maintained 3-bedroom 1.5 bath all brick home on 0.76 acres with beautiful landscaping and detached 2-car garage or workshop, 24 by 32. Lots of updates and recent renovations. Fresh exterior paint, roof installed 2019 and new duct work installed 2016. Garage installed 2020 and has electric, plumbing and leaf guard gutter system. All kitchen appliances to remain, including refrigerator. Kitchen has concrete countertops, new cabinets, tile floor, tile backsplash and pantry. Home has thermopane vinyl windows for energy efficiency. Backyard beautifully landscaped and features large aluminum deck, hot tub and retractable sunshade awnings. All blinds and curtains to remain. Plenty of room for family and friends. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.